Oh! We're gonna stop. Oh man!
NBC News has reached out to Hannah Gutierrez, Reed, and Dave Halls, but we have not heard back. Meantime, production on the set of Rust has wrapped pending the sheriff's investigation. It's back to you.
We're going to speak live.
I gave you fair warning, beware, beware.
What the?
Watch out, buddy. Want to fight?
Might.
You want to go, bud?
Yeah, there you go. Fucking flatten it.
Oh, October 16th, yeah. What are you doing? Wow.
Oh my.
Yeah. So you can take a big ass cut. What? 40? 60?
Oh!
Break. Right. We're gonna hit. Yeah. That's right. Just go right on around. We just skipped the light for free. Just go. It's fine.
Oh man, you go wrong place, dog.
Is
that guy on the wrong side of the road?
Dumbass around him who are unsettled by the behavior, but you're not providing him with anything better. You have to make an argument that if this kid is like, I don't know, trying to like kill himself or whatever, and you apply an aversive therapy that stops.
Okay, I know I'm an idiot for recording while driving, but holy shit. And not only that, but he's going over the speed limit for trucks.
Fucking truck literally cut me off.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
My sweetest friend. Every
Just like 40 minutes away or lucky.